Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your JBL TUNE 770 are charging? So, to check it, you need to connect your headphones to the power. The USB-C port located at the right ear cup, at the top of the right ear cup, and you need to connect your headphones to the power. You can do this by using an adapter and USB-C cable, or using USB-C to USB-C cable and you can charge it from your phone, or you can use USB-A to USB-C cable to charge it from the PC. So let's connect these headphones to the power. And now, if you see the LED light near to the USB-C port, meaning that your headphones are charging. Now, we cannot use the application to check it. I mean, if we charge them and now open the app, we cannot connect them, because when you connect these headphones to the power, it automatically turns off your headphones. But you can charge it, and let's say after 10 minutes, just remove USB-C cable, turn on your headphones, and check in the application how much battery level you have. Is it changed? And that's it. To check it, you need to your headphones should be connected with your phone, and then it will open to your headphones menu, and you check it right here. Is the battery level changed? That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!